Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a low quality photo into stunning 8K Ultra HD, all for free and without any login needed. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open your browser like this and then search for convert photo to 8K free like this. And then you will see several websites pop up. Just click the first one that appears in the search result. This one, IMG Can I. This one. This site is super easy to use. No account, no payment, no complicated setup. Just tap on it. And then once you're on the website, just tap on upload image and then just choose your photo that you want to upscale. And then just choose any low quality photo from your gallery, maybe an old portrait or a blurry landscape or a picture that you took years ago. And then when you're done, just tap on upscale image. And okay, like this, you can see the difference. The photo looks more clear and it's super HD. And then if you're happy with the result, just tap on this button to download it, and you can download it for free by watch an ad. And okay, that's it. Your photo is now crystal clear and ready to post, print, or even use as wallpaper, or just use as you need. No Photoshops, no complicated apps, just one free online tool that turns your low quality photo into 8K Ultra HD. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!